Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. Today we continue to practice daily Qigong to help us get the body moving, to keep the joints healthy, and to keep the circulation strong. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Kseny. I've been teaching Qigong for over 7 years, so I hope you enjoy this routine and feel good afterwards. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos and would like to make Qigong a daily practice, consider joining my 21-day beginner program. Each day will bring you something new, whether it's energy, stress relief, or sleep, and can help you build a regular and more confident practice at home. You can find more information on ksenygray.com or join today with a few simple steps. Let's begin today's practice. We begin in a standing position and take a moment here to adjust your posture, meaning that you're standing firmly on the ground. Give way in your knees, relax your hips, bring your tailbone slightly forward to help you relax through your lower back. Your spine should feel nice and neutral. Keep it nice and long as you continue extending upwards, releasing through the back of the neck, keeping your shoulders nice and relaxed. And take a moment here to simply become aware of your body. Notice how you stand, notice how you feel. And we're going to shake the entire body very, very lightly. Keep it very light, keep it pleasant, keep it relaxing and comforting to the muscles, to the joints especially. And if you have any areas that feel stiff, tender, sore, do your best to loosen up. Find the alignment that will help you to relax a little bit more. Becoming aware of the body, the joints, the muscles, even feeling our skin. Turn to the side. Keep it gentle. Very, very good. A few more seconds here. And let's slow it down. From here, interlace your fingers. As you lift to the chest, rotate and look up. Emphasis on the front of the body, a nice stretch for the front. Open up here. Relax your neck and shoulders. Open your hands out to the side. And take a moment here to open through your chest before you relax fully. Couple of those stretches. Opening up. Here I like to shift my weight forward towards the balls of my feet to really open up through the front, engaging the legs. Relax. Open your hands out. Open your chest. And soften here. Trying to experience that sense of relaxation after the stretch. We go again. Feel a pleasant opening. The stretch is pleasant. Feeling yourself elongating. Relax. Relaxing through the back of the neck. Open up. Soften here. We go again. Relax. Open up. And soften. The breathing here is relaxed, is natural. Just stay true to your breath without changing it. We're going up. Soften. Open up through the upper back and the shoulders. Open your chest, fingers up. Relax. We go again. Open up. Soften here. Making sure you feel yourself nice and grounded through your feet. You have that strong foundation. And soften. One more time. Going up. Just stay focused on the physical sensations in your body. Opening up. Stretch the front of the body. Release gently down the sides. Find your center to open through the chest, feeling stable, feeling connected, and relax. Interlace your fingers, this time raise to the chest, keeping your joints nice and rounded. Turn away, trying to bring your chin towards the shoulder. Open up through the middle back, through the shoulder. Come back. We'll repeat the same on the other side. Just remind yourself to keep a good posture without rotating your body. Just the shoulder, just the upper back. Good stuff. Going to the side. Relax. Once more. To the other side. And then bring your hands back to center. Press forward to open up through the middle back, that space between your shoulder blades. Release and relax. Very good. From here, let's move down to the hips. Keep your feet nice and parallel, firm on the ground. Knees are fairly straight here. And you bring your attention to the hip area. Feel free to keep your hands on your waist or even on your lower back, whatever feels intuitive, whatever feels good. Reminding yourself to keep your range of motion comfortable, again, pleasant. Let's change the direction. Well done. Bring yourself back to center. Assuming the position, relaxing, giving way in your knees, relaxing through the hips and the lower back. Then bring your feet together. Finding your center so you can stay nice and stable. We're going to open through the hip and let the leg touch, let the foot touch the ground. Bring it back. Open up and bring it back. So make sure you feel nice and centered. Testing your balance, testing the mind-muscle connection. Good. And let's do once more. Up. Bring it in. Here to rest. Get yourself stable and open up. What helps me is I'm finding a point somewhere on the ground ahead of me, and I focus on that point. I'm not looking around the room. I'm focused, and that helps to keep the balance. Try it for yourself. Very good. Last one here. Bring it in, and then shake it loose to the side. We did it the other day. Trying to find a sense of release, the softening, the loosening through your joints, through your muscles, through your connective tissues, everything down to your feet. Then bring your feet parallel. Comfortable stance here. We're going to do an exercise called the fountain. Fantastic exercise, mobilizes the whole body, helps to open the chest, work the back, work the legs. Very good for circulation, very good for the joints. So let's do it. So you want to have a strong foundation, relying on your legs and minimizing stress and tension on your lower back. The hands open to the side and overhead, so palms facing the back. Breathe in, and on an exhale, like a fountain, we're going down. But at the same time, not going forward, going down. So engage in the muscles of the back, engage in the hips, engage in the legs. Then open through the chest. Your eyes follow the hand. And then on the exhale, we go forward again. Inhale, turn to the other side. Exhale, forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. I'm going to show you the side view because I think it's important. Breathing in. Notice there's minimal stress, minimal effort on my lower back. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. See if you can find softness, if you find a momentum. Connecting your breath to the movement. Find the posture, find the alignment that allows you to relax and let go a little bit. If you catch yourself building up tension in your neck and shoulders, just remind yourself to soften as you go down. Inhale, opening up. If you find yourself getting tense and tight in your lower back, send that effort to your legs. Going down, back up. Again, down. Allow your hips to slide back. Find that space and freedom in your body. And let's do one more to the side. We breathe in. And this time hands go down. Round them up to face your abdomen. We get to feel the energy stronger when we are away from the physical body. Feel it between your hands. Feel the pleasant, comforting sensations near your abdomen. Close your hands. Bring your feet together. and finish this session. Thank you very much for joining me. You can stay here for longer, you can move to your meditation or do other Qigong or Tai Chi activities. And as always, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to support the channel, subscribe so you get notified and don't miss out any future videos. Thank you for joining me today. Keep well, and I'll see you tomorrow.